Hello friends, this is Prabhu Swami. Welcome to Excel Buddy. So today I'm going to teach you how to use VLOOKUP function in Excel. Before that, quickly check the syntax of this function. So VLOOKUP function include four pieces of informations. Lookup value, the value you want to look up, also called the lookup value. And the second one is table array, the range where the lookup value is located. Remember that the lookup value should always be in the first column in the range for VLOOKUP to work correctly. For example, if your lookup value is in the cell C2, then your range should start with C. The third information is column index number. The column index number in the range that contains the return value. For example, if you specify the range is B to D11, you should count B as the first, C as the second, and so on. And the last one is range lookup. This one is optional. You can specify true if you want an approximate match, or false if you want an exact match. So if you don't specify anything, the default value will always be true. That is approximate match. Now let's go to the Excel workbook to see the examples. So this is my workbook. No, this workbook includes the data for all the country and the capital city of those countries and currency name and the currency symbol and the ISO code. These are the three letter word which is used for the internationally. Okay, now I have the list of countries. Okay, let me delete this. Okay, let me put the VLOOKUP function. Okay, there are two ways you can use the VLOOKUP function. One is directly you can use the VLOOKUP function by putting equal sign, and one more is you can click the hit the function insert function button and search the function name. Anyway, it's appearing over here, but let's try to click on go. So it will show you only the function which is searched here. Okay, just click on OK. Again, this open up with the function argument window. Uh, okay, this the nicely the informations which we required to build the VLOOKUP functions. Okay, we saw in the syntax, right? These all are all the information which we need to build the VLOOKUP function. Okay, okay, the first one is lookup value. My lookup value is United Kingdom and the table array. I'm going to select all the entire table. Okay, let's go to the top. I'm going to fix this range. Okay, for that you need to press F4. Okay, okay, now my table, my range is fixed, so this won't go up and down when we copy the formula for the other cells, okay, or the subsequent cells. Okay, my third information is called like column index number. Sorry, it's column index numbers. So what we are looking up? Okay, I'm looking for the capital city of the country. So where is my capital city? It is there in the second column. So see, I have I have updated the index number. Okay, so my lookup value is starting with A, and my return value is there in the column B, that is my second column. So my updating my column index number as a true. Now here I want the exact match, so I'm updating false. Now uh, now look at the result showing here. The formula result is London. It's amazing, right? So it's showing the correct capital city is London. And one more important point, okay, the range lookup is the logical value. Okay, so to find the closest match in the first column, sort in the order ascending order. Or So one suggestion. So whenever you use the VLOOKUP functions, make sure that the data should be always in the ascending order, whatever, whether it is a numerical or the alphabetical. Okay, make sure the data should be in a ascending order. It's better to have the data in ascending order to get the closest match or the approximate match. So now click on OK button. See, now we'll get the results. Okay, now I'm going to copy this formula to the rest of the cell. Okay, let's throw an error, right? Let me delete this. Okay, so you'll have to do one thing. So just make the column, the lookup value is constant. Okay, I'm putting my lookup value G. G is my lookup value is contained in the column G. So I'm updating. So I'm putting dollar sign to make this fixed. So now you copy this formula and paste it to the rest of the cells. Okay, but here it's showing the currency name as London, which is wrong, right? So here you will have to change the column index number. So my currency name is there in the third column. So just make the changes, column index number to 3. See, now it is showing correct currency name, which is British pound. The same line, change the currency symbol, which is there in the column index number 4. So just replace these 2 with 4. We'll get the desired result. Okay, now it is showing the correct results. Now I'm going to apply the VLOOKUP function directly. But let's see. Type VLOOKUP. Just click on just tab. Just press the tab button. This will open up with the open bracket. Okay. Now my lookup value is France. Just select that. Make this fixed. Just click on F4 button. Press F4. So you'll get to see the dollar sign. That means it's fixed. Now comma. Now select the entire table. It's my range. Then press F4 to make this fix. My range is fixed now. Comma. Now select the column index number. So my range, my column index number is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the capital city, which is there in the second column. Okay, column 2. Now here you can update false, or else you can use the numeric value. See, 1 for true and 0 for false. So I'm putting 0, close the bracket, hit enter. See, now you got the result, which is Paris. So capital city of France is Paris. Oh, okay. Now let's copy this formula and apply it to the rest of the cells. And here again, just change the index number to 3. Why 3? Because my currency name is in the column C, which is third column from my lookup value country. And now change the currency symbol. So my currency symbol is in the column index number 4. Just replace the column index number to 4. So the local currency of France is euro, and the euro symbol, I think everyone know it's a euro symbol. Okay, now just one more thing. Now apply the VLOOKUP function using the value. So in the previous example we saw the lookup value as cell name. Okay, here I am going to use the cell value. So I am putting United States under inverted comma. Okay, then comma, rest are the same. Just select the range, entire table as my range. Just press F4 to make this range is fixed, comma, and my index number is 2, comma, I want the exact match, so 0, close the bracket, enter. So the capital city of United States is Washington DC.